Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Learning Assessment Example 2.4. Learning Assessment Example 2.4. The scenario states that determine the peak value of output voltage in given below figure. If turn ratio N is equal to 2 and V peak input is 312 volt. Second point, what is the peak inverse voltage across diode? And third point, describe output voltage if the diode is turned around. This is half wave rectifier circuit diagram along with AC coupled transformer which have turn ratio of 2. Turn ratio 2 is indicating that this transformer is step up transformer. We will start solving this problem from first part. In this first part, data is provided in the form of V peak input voltage and turn ratio of the transformer. V peak input voltage is 312 volt and this volt will act as primary voltage for this transformer. So we can say that for this transformer, V peak primary voltage is 312 volt. Similarly, we know the turn ratio of this transformer, so we can calculate its secondary voltage. Formula for its secondary voltage will be V peak secondary is equal to turn ratio N multiplied by V peak primary. Enter the values of turn ratio and primary voltage. Secondary peak voltage will be equal to the product of 2 and 312 volt. So V peak secondary will be 624 volt. We have determined peak secondary voltage at the output of this transformer. Now we can calculate voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistance that are labeled as V out. If we observe, this is a half wave rectifier circuit, so it will conduct only for half cycle of AC wave. Peak output voltage will be equal to peak input voltage minus diode forward voltage drop. In this network, a general purpose diode 1N4002 is used, which is basically a silicon diode. So its forward drop voltage will be 0.7 volt. So we will use this equation to calculate V peak output voltage. V peak output voltage will be equal to V peak secondary minus diode forward voltage drop. We know the value of V peak secondary that we have calculated in previous step. The diode voltage drop is also known, so place values inside this equation to calculate V peak out, that will become 623.3 volt. This will be the output waveform of this half wave rectifier circuit. Maximum voltage appearing across this 1 kilo ohm resistance is 623.3 volt and this circuit is conducting only half cycle of the AC waveform. Move towards the second part. In second part, it is asked to calculate peak inverse voltage across diode. As name indicates, peak inverse voltage. These are the maximum voltage that appear across a diode when it is in reverse bias mode. And we know that an ideal diode in reverse biased mode acts as an open circuit. We are supposing this negative half cycle in which the diode will be reverse bias and it will act as an open circuit. During negative cycle, voltage polarity across transformer winding will be this. In this case, V peak secondary voltage will remain same 624 volt. Now, because diode is acting as an open circuit, so no current will flow through this network. And whenever no current is flowing, the voltage drop across this resistive element will be 0 volt. So all of these voltage will be appearing across diode. So we can say that peak inverse voltage will be 624 volt as it is. Now move towards the third part. In this case, peak secondary voltage will remain same 624 volt. Only the position of diode is turned around. So first of all, we will calculate peak output voltage. For that purpose, we will use this equation. V peak out will be equal to V peak secondary minus diode forward voltage drop. We know the value of V peak secondary as well as diode forward voltage drop. Place values inside this equation. 624 volt minus 0.7 volt. V peak output will be 623.3 volt. Peak output voltage will remain same in both positions. The only changing that we will observe is in the output waveform. Now the diode is conducting negative half cycle of the AC input and we will be getting negative voltage across this load resistor as indicated in this waveform. So this was learning assessment example 2.4. Thank you. See you again in next video.